Welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and today we are taking a look at Martha Stewart's Cookies Cookbook. Now we're making peanut butter and jelly bars from this cookbook today, and if you have a favorite dessert bar recipe, we encourage you to come by the library on July 8th from 2 to 4, bring a batch of your bars and the recipe, and exchange with others in your community. Let's get started. For peanut butter and jelly bars, we will need 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter, room temperature, plus more for the pan, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, plus more for the pan, 1½ cups of sugar, 2 large eggs, 2½ cups smooth peanut butter, 1½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1½ cup strawberry jam or other flavor, 1 cup salted peanuts, or about 5 ounces, roughly chopped. To make our peanut butter and jelly bars, we're going to start by preheating an oven to 350 degrees and getting a 9x13 pan ready to go with parchment paper and butter and flour. Then we're going to come over to our mixer and we're going to start by adding our butter and our sugar to the mixer. And we're going to beat that for around 2 minutes or until the mixture is fluffy. While our mixer is running, we're going to add in the peanut butter and the eggs next. Once that's well combined, we're going to whisk together our baking powder, our flour, and our salt. And we're going to add this in and mix until everything's well combined. I think we're ready for that vanilla. Okay, so let's take 2/3 roughly of our peanut butter mixture, and we're going to spread that in the bottom of our 9x13 pan. Once we have a nice even layer of our peanut butter mixture, we're going to take our jam and we're going to spread it evenly across the top. Okay, and once that's in an even layer, we're going to take the rest of our peanut butter mixture and we're just going to crumble that across the top. And once we've got that crumbled on there, we're going to sprinkle with our peanuts. Now we're ready to pop them in the oven. It's again at 350 degrees. We're going to rotate our pan halfway through our 45 to 60 minute cook time, and we'll keep a close eye on them because if they start to get too dark, we'll put a loose tint of foil over them to prevent that. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Cooking by the Book, and we'll see you next time.